We're en route to Montage, Beverly Hills. We are picking up a client's Rolls Royce Wraith. It's actually a Black Badge edition. So we're at Montage, Beverly Hills. It's a prime location here in Beverly Hills that we do drop off and pick up sometimes with customers. We're picking up the Rolls Royce right now. One of our really good clients slash friends slash family, RD Luxury Auto Collection. So they, in my opinion, own the best private exotic used cars, new cars as well, but their inventory is crazy. Check them out at luxuryautocollection.com. All right, this Bentley came in for a quick oil change and service. We got it done in a matter of 30-45 minutes. We're gonna take it back out, let the customer take it.
It's the boy Ricky Styles all the way from the Bay, man. Hollering at my peoples, man. RDB.
We have a Mercedes here today. It's in here for a brake job. So we're doing full brakes, front pads, rotors, sensors, same thing with the back, pads and rotors all around.
It's Friday, got a lot of stuff done today. I'm tired, but we're still going. We close at 6. Whoa. That's how you drive. The Chevelle, we couldn't get it started. We all had to push it inside. So we discovered that it needs a new fuel pump.
Should be ready to start. We're gonna crank it up and see what's going on. Got it. Okay.
So we replaced the fuel pump. We got it started now. It's running great. Yeah, we do that too. We're gonna match up vinyl material with the interior. We're gonna do some wrapping outside the vehicle that we have to match. So trying to figure that out. If we have to make a custom vinyl, we're gonna have to. This car is very cool because Rolls Royce has partially blacked out the vehicle. The chrome grille with the Black Badge emblems really show the difference between a regular. So the Black Badge, the emblems are reversed, meaning the black and the chrome are inverted. So this is what comes on a Black Badge. You also get special wheels. You get a lot of the trim blacked out. So this vehicle, we're going to actually be changing the color. Customer wants it really personalized to his specs. So we're gonna be doing that for him. We already put spacers on the car. We're gonna also be lowering it to get that stance. We're not gonna be putting aftermarket wheels. We're gonna retain the factory drive with the wheels, but we're gonna give it that really nice stance. We're also gonna upgrade the sound system. Brand new car, 100 miles, but we're gonna make it sound even better. We're also gonna upgrade the muffler. We're gonna make it sound a little bit more angry. So stay tuned, you guys will see the progress on this one. Brand new Black Badge, we're about to transform it.
Hey, the people want to know, how did it feel being taped to the wall?
You know what I think about you?
It was actually
Sorry, Moses. I have better stuff for you guys. Come over here. Check out this steering wheel. So we did another one, this time on a Huracan. This steering wheel was wrapped in black Alcantara, red stitching with the red ring, matching the full interior, which is red and black. This is the Liberty Walk LP582 that we've been working on. Just at the steering wheel, it's literally makes it way better to drive now. So steering wheels, we're getting them done in 2-3 days, unheard of. So give us a call.
So as we were saying, how did it feel being taped to the wall?
You know, it was pretty crazy. So we just decided to just have some fun, long day. That's what we do here. You know, real stuff. We work on real cars. We have fun. It's good to have fun a little bit to just get away from all the pressure.
Brand new Rolls Royce Wraith, the Black Badge. Update on this thing. We are pretty much almost done with the sides with the satin pro white. It's gonna start getting really colorful since the whole top now we're gonna actually start doing the satin blue to match the interior. So this is gonna be a really cool one too. We already installed the spacers. We're gonna be lowering it as well. Once it's all put together, we'll show you the product. So we've matched blue vinyl to the interior, and we found a nice gloss blue that goes really well with the color tone. We did a satin clear lamination on top, so it matches the interior better. The satin pro white version is all done now, so now we're doing the blue. Hopefully we'll be done with that today. Tomorrow we'll start putting everything back on and test the suspension, make sure it's low enough, the spacers are perfect, and that's it. So keep watching, we're almost done. Right now we're tinting the windows, the final step of this project. Wraith that we are wrapping in two colors, satin blue and satin pearl white. Satin blue is custom created by us to match the interior on this Black Badge. So, on to the next one.